Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program, English Bal Bharti Standard 6. Students, today we will be doing chapter 4.6, The Phantom Tollbooth, a book review. First, we will see what is meant by book review. A book review means critical analysis, description, meaning, and significance of a book. Now, we will start the lesson and its explanation. Milo was a young boy who lived in San Francisco in the States. He lacked for nothing, being an only child. At home, he was surrounded by all sorts of expensive toys. In school, too, there was nothing that he could be complained about. But Milo was bored, nothing really interested him. He thought of everything as a waste of time, and school as the greatest waste of time of all. Poor Milo. There's nothing for me to do now where I had care to go, and hardly anything worth seeing. He thought, you must have guessed by now that Milo belonged to an age when TV, video games, and computers were not invented. The lesson Phantom Tollbooth, a book review, talks about a disinterested young boy named Milo and also about the way his life changes when he comes across a phantom tollbooth. Milo lived in San Francisco in States. He was the only child to his parents and also a good student. He always had everything he wished for, nothing interested him ever. Milo belonged to the time when there was no TV, computer, and internet. Hence, he was completely bored as he had nothing to do. But on one long afternoon, like any other, Milo suddenly received huge parcel with a bright blue envelope attached to one side. The envelope was addressed to him for Milo, who has plenty of time. Wouldn't you be surprised if something like this happened to you? So was Milo. I don't think it's my birthday, he puzzled, and Christmas must be months away, and I haven't been outstandingly good or even good at all. Milo was an honest boy, so he admitted the last bit to himself. He couldn't return the parcel. There was no sender's address on it. So, just in order to be polite, Milo decided to open the envelope. One genuine turnpike toll booth. It was written inside, easily assembled at home and for use by those who have never traveled in lands beyond. Like you, Milo was also intrigued by the words lands beyond. But one day Milo suddenly received a huge parcel with bright blue envelope that has his name on it. He couldn't return the parcel as there was no sender's address. So just in order to be polite, Milo decided to open the envelope. That parcel contained one genuine turnpike toll booth to be erected according to directions, three precautionary signs to be used in a precautionary fashion, assorted coins for use in paying tolls, one map up to date and carefully drawn by master cartographers depicting natural and man made features, one book of rules and traffic regulation which may not be bent or broken, and in smaller letters at the bottom it concludes results are not guaranteed, but if not perfectly satisfied, your wasted time will be refunded. Because Milo had nothing else to do, he followed the directions and erected the toll booth. It was a proper booth with windows and roof and a coin box. The lesson further describes the incidents which happened in Milo's life. After he opens the parcel had a toll booth. 3 signs with instructions, few coins, 1 map and 1 rule book. Despite being unsure about game, Milo followed the instructions and made the toll booth. But what the use, thought Milo. There was no highway attached to the booth. Nevertheless, Milo set up the precautionary signs, unfolded map and chose a destination. He chose it at random because he had never heard of any of the places shown on the map, and so one was as good as any other. At last, Milo chose the destination for himself. In next video, we will be doing the remaining part of the lesson. Thank you.